Hello students, hope you are all fine. In today's class we shall discuss 3 activities from the chapter heat. Let us discuss what is the difference between the temperature, relation between the temperature and kinetic energy. To find out the relationship between temperature and kinetic energy, first of all what you do is take 2 beakers, fill one with cold water and fill other with hot water. Then add food color. To both of these you add food color. Now because the particles in the water move randomly, the food color will be spreading. Here also the food color spreads because of the random motion of the particles of the water. But you will observe that the food color spreads faster in hot water when compared to cold water. This is because the particles in the hot water move with greater speed compared to the particles of the water in the cold water. That is, the particles of hot water has greater kinetic energy when compared to particles kinetic energy of this is cold water and this is hot water. The kinetic energy of the particles of hot water will be greater than the kinetic energy of the particles of the cold water, because of which the particles, the food particles in the hot water, food color particles, they spread very faster. Now this shows that kinetic energy is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. If the temperature is more, then kinetic energy will be more. Kinetic energy of the particles will be more. The temperature is less, the kinetic energy of the particle is less. So this shows that if the temperature of a body is more, then the particles in it will have greater kinetic energy. When the temperature of the water is less, then the particles will have lesser kinetic energy. This can be seen by the spreading of the food color in both cases. Now let us see another activity. Activity 4. Take a beaker, fill half of it with 60 degrees temperature water. Now slowly pour oil on it. Oil does not mix with water, but it forms a layer above the water. See that with the help of a lid containing 2 holes, introduce one temperature in oil, one thermometer in oil, and introduce another thermometer in water. And leave it for some time. As you leave it for some time, what happens is the temperature of the oil increases while the temperature of the water decreases, because the water gives the heat energy will flow from water to oil. So here that can be seen in the thermometers. The temperature of the water, the temperature of the oil increases while the temperature of the water decreases. This is because the heat energy flows from water to oil. This can be seen with the help of the thermometers. Okay, that means the kinetic energy of the particles of water decreases while the kinetic energy of particles of oil increases. This is because of the flow of heat that happens between water and the oil. So by this you can say that heat is the energy flowing from hot body to cold body. Temperature is a quantity which defines which body is hotter and which body is colder. So the average kinetic energy will tell you about we'll talk about the temperature. If the average kinetic energy of the particles is more, then it has more temperature. The average kinetic energy of the particles is less, then it has less temperature. Now, temperature also tells us about in which direction the heat flows. Heat always flows from hot bodies to cool bodies. So if the temperature of one body is high and the temperature of other body is low, and if they are in physical contact with each other, then the heat flows from the body which is hot to the heat to the it flows from hot bodies to cold bodies. That is about the heat, kinetic energy and temperature. Let us discuss another activity. Now, take a big beaker containing water. Let us say the temperature of the water is 80 degrees centigrade. Take 2 boiling tubes, fill one with 50 grams of water, fill other with 50 grams of oil, 50 grams of water, and this is 50 grams of oil. Now, with the help of retort stand, you introduce a thermometer in both. Take the help of the retort stand. This we are introducing a thermometer. With the help of retort stand, these two test tubes, boiling tubes will stand. Now, this is 50 grams of water and this is 50 grams of oil. We are introducing them in the water whose temperature is 80 degrees centigrade. So, slowly what happens, as you know that heat flows from hotter bodies to cooler bodies, the temperature of the water and the temperature of the oil will rise. Now, you will notice that the temperature of the oil increases faster, it rises much compared to the temperature of the water. That is, oil shows more temperature compared to the water. This shows that heat no doubt flows from hot body to cold body, but the rise in temperature of the cold bodies depends upon the nature of the material that we are using. Here the temperature of oil will be more than the temperature of the water, indicating that the rise in temperature for different substances is different, and the rise in temperature depends upon the nature of the substance. This topic leads us to another topic called specific heat, which we shall discuss in the next class. That's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.